I'm very happy to be connected with you all in this conference. My best wishes and congratulations to Dr. Prakash Divakar sir for organizing in such a manner, great manner, and brought a very, very big resource person here. It's a wonderful chance to meet all these resource person in this forum, as well as I was really bewitched by Manu sir, the way he introduced every resource person. I was really impressed, and I request Prakash sir to continue continuously organizing these sorts of many programs in future, not only in Singapore, in many countries too. My best wishes. This is what I would like to record here, sir. Thank you so much,
Right,
sir.
right. Actually, we were started with the international conferences in Dubai, Bangkok around three times, then Bangalore,
Ah,
then Singapore, Malaysia, like that way. But unfortunately, due to this pandemic situation, we are forced to conduct in virtual mode. That is why we are getting more efficient people like Ganapati sir and all, because if it is a foreign country, we need to check his availability and all, because 3 to 4 days are there. Even Mail Murugan sir, virtual he is comfortable right now, but he has promised to come along with us for the next international conference. Even Prasanna Dashakus are also ready. Even Manoj sir, Gaurav Sangini, we all are, even Mr. Krishnan sir, we all are met at different countries. So,
yes.
so
Ready, sir.
so we are forced to conduct virtual conferences like this way, but I
Yes.
think most of the people are used to such scenario, and the people are very well aware. Now you can see there is no interruption to
Yes.
the internet coverage, because
Yes.
we are also learned how to conduct. You can see
Yes.
that our one of our server is in UK. Citer organization, which is our sponsor and which is our mentor, Dr. Saju Mohan, is there. He is operating from UK, and one server is from Muscat, and like that way, there is you may be noticed that half an hour there was an internet connection disruptions from my area, but you never noticed any problem of the interruption, because it was directly passed to the UK server and it was connected. When
Oh,
Prabhadevi madam was delivering his lecture, there was a problem with the internet, but there is no interruption. The other participants are faced. So this
really, it's
type of
great.
technology we are upgrading, and we
Yes.
will be coming back with more new things like technology and more new people and all. So nothing to be worried. You have to be connected with us
Yes.
always.
Sir, there are two things which I would like to share
Yeah, yeah.
because you are organizing it successfully, but we would like to request you that there must be certain financial burden, so you can ask us for that. And secondly, for improving the strength of participants, that is large number of participants should take part in it, we must do some specific things, and we have to see that large number of participants will take part in such type of conferences.
Yes, sir. Actually, the problem is when the person is presenting their paper, that time only they are available.
Ah,
So uh, other time, other time these people are not will be there. That is a problem. But you
yes.
can see Girish Kumar sir, even Ganapati sir was yesterday. He was participating in the conference. Even Prasanna Kumar sir was there. Adul Ramgade sir.
Yes.
So like that way, Mail Murugan sir was having some exam assignments, so that is why he couldn't attend continuously. However, he joined in the evening. So like that way, the problem is yesterday there was 10-15 people were presenting the paper. So after the presentation, they have quit. They are not even patient to attend to see what other people are doing.
Ah,
So that's a problem. We are ready to conduct such things. Even I have seen very good participation recently with the RMD conference. There were 197 participants who were there. They were continuously doing the things, continuously participating.
oh,
Now I am, while talking to you, my main server is off, but I am having the secondary connections. That is why it is running now.
oh, yes, you are audible. Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Sir,
So we would like to congratulate you again
sir,
because
you
it's
are
a great,
from
great
Singapore,
event.
sir? Excuse me, you are speaking from Singapore.
Yeah, this conference was supposed to be in Singapore.
Okay, okay. But one small request, sir, that whatever that is said and done, that offline, that online cannot supplant this offline, sir. It can just supplement and complement, but offline or that mode is more beneficial. This will interaction, everything. This is only, there is no other alternative. We are taking it on this. I pray God that your next conference we will all meet in person, face to
Yes,
face.
yes,
We will interact.
yes, Ganpati sir, you are right.
Yes.
I have same opinion.
Yes.
Do
Yeah,
one
yeah.
thing, kindly share your telephone numbers, and our Prakash sir will give us the numbers so that we also will be in touch with each other because of Prakash sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, Global Research Conference Forum, that website, sorry, the WhatsApp group, we all are connected.
Oh, very
So
good.
nothing to be worried.
Yes,
So,
great, great. Prakash
and
sir,
we are
thank you.
also, actually this conference, this particular conference which we are conducting now, we were expecting that it will be there in the hotel. You are seeing the video, in that the hotel photo is there.
Yes.
So there, that was supposed to be there in the event. Even Girish Kumar sir were all aware that they were supposed to join us in Singapore, but unfortunately we are paid to the hotel also. The hotel persons told that whenever you are conducting next conference, then we will adjust the amount what we are booked. You can see next conference in Malaysia, even Bangkok, even in Dubai, all conference hotels are booked. But unfortunately, the situation is like that way. Another 5 to 6 months, we have to be conducting like this only. Even we are signed with the Asian University in Bangkok, Asia Pacific University in Bangkok, for a conference in their premises along with the Indian experts. They want some Indian experts to be come and stay there. They were offered all the staying accommodation facility in their campus itself. They were having a very good auditorium and all. But the situation is like that way. We couldn't conduct. Even January we are planned. They are asked me to wait until the pandemic situation is come down, because now in Bangkok also the cases are reporting. There is even in UK also there are some problems. So even in the November we are planned a Dubai conference, that also we will be going to conduct in virtual mode, because till now the Dubai restrictions are there. So, so please bear with us for this type of activity, and we are coming with a more digitally viable. Nothing to be worried, and definitely we will conduct a conference with foreign countries. Maybe we will start with Bangkok first, then to Dubai, then Singapore, Malaysia, even Hong Kong, etc.
And sir, you can take the association of that college or university from that country.
Yeah. We are having, sir.
That is
Now
good.
we got a sponsorship from Srinagar College. They are sponsoring us to conduct a conference in Bangkok along with this Asian Pacific University.
My college is also there, sir. I am
Yeah,
also
yeah, yeah,
there.
yeah. So we had an agreement with the SKN
Yes.
college director, Dr. Karandes, Kailas Karandes, sir. Yesterday he
Yes.
was here. He is attending the conference through our office, and there is a September conference in virtual mode with SKN Engineering College, Pandharpur. Then after that, there will be a conference in foreign countries, either in Bangkok or in Dubai.
Oh, very good.
They are sponsored. The SKN.
On behalf of all participants, we are very grateful to you, and we are deeply, actually, we are thankful to you from heart.
Sir,
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Yeah, sir. As far as my city, Chennai city is concerned, sir, absolutely we don't say that there is a pandemic or this corona at all, because you can able to see everything except the schools and colleges. Everything is functioning as usual. And in fact, two of my friends are going to US also, and there also that vaccine is compulsory one. And you can come over here because they got admission at MS. Only thing, if you are not vaccinated, means you have to quarantine yourself for 14 days. Otherwise, you can even travel to abroad also. So now you are in Singapore, but you come to Chennai, then you will be seeing the thing. There is absolutely, was that?
Yes, myself and Dr. Mail Murugan sir and Dr. Muthukumar sir, we met at Madurai in last March. Last March, and we were we are afraid what happening. Even we have to wait for 20 minutes for getting a, hotel seat for dinner.
Yes, yes. Now, right now, you come that all the share auto, everything, except the schools and colleges, everything is functioning, including the swimming pool, gym,
Yeah,
the
yeah, yeah.
cinema theaters, everything is functioning.
No, schools and colleges will also function now.
Yeah, very soon, very soon. And
Very
Yes,
soon.
yes, yes,
one,
yes.
they will be opening that one also. And
Hmm.
nearly 50% of the people have also been vaccinated.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So there is no problem at all. You can have it after 1 month. You can preferably have it in the offline. But only thing you have to inform a little bit early for getting all the other
Ah,
formalities like a vaccination, getting the
yeah.
visa and other things.
Sir, in our website, all the upcoming conferences are already scheduled.
Okay.
And some of the conferences we are not yet uploaded in the website because we are not getting a clarity whether the people are interested to join in offline and all, because the foreign participants basically they are not interested because they are afraid. Like we are getting more participants from Korea, then Malaysia, Indonesia, Philippines, etc. So these people are having much worry. Even in India, the pandemic is not yet settled down properly. So that is
Okay.
why the other countries like UAE and all are afraid. But anyhow, we have to come up and we will do as much as possible. And just I am waiting for getting the third wave scenario, and after that immediately we are going to schedule. If there is a loss also, we are ready to bear, because we are committed and we are coming up with a company, Infinite Global Research Conference Private Limited, and the motto is the company to connect with all the global researchers. We are having 26,000 members in the Global Research Conference Forum. In that, around 8,000 to 10,000 are foreign participants. And you know,
Oh,
when we are conducting our Dubai conference and all, 90% participants were from foreign countries, and very 10% was from India. But now in the virtual conferences, we can see more people like are doing that. Now, you know, Manoj Jain, he's a Canadian. Canadian,
oh.
and another Dr. PK Joy.
चला कि दाल
Yogi is our keynote
तैयार
speaker
है.
and panelist, but yeah, I am afraid to call him in the virtual conference because he where he
चला.
is staying, he is in Chennai. There is a problem with the
हमारे
internet
चपाती
connection.
लाओ.
He has to come to Chennai, some city or hotel to conduct the conference, attend the conference. So that is why I am not including him nowadays. So after that, we will get PK Joy also. He's from he is a USA American citizen, and he will he will go back to USA within after some time. The pandemic is settled down because he's stuck over there in India right now.
Sir, any help is needed at Chennai, you are most welcome to call me or contact me because
Yeah,
Chennai,
sir. Of course, sir. Of course, sir.
Chennai is my
Thank you
kingdom.
very much. Yeah, 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 yeah.
I know we are getting late for lunch, but I can't resist still a minute to thank everybody, to thank the panel members for appreciating, though it's a virtual mode conference, but we are making it almost feel like a live interactive session. And the geographical barrier has no meaning with this. That is another plus, though. And more importantly, I would like to thank the panel members. Most of the panel members have appreciated this platform of Global Research Conference Forum. And to add a bit to it, some of the panel members I would like to thank from the bottom of my heart for complimenting me on my cheerful holding as a co-host of this platform. And
True. It's really true.
thank you, sir. And especially special thanks always will be there. I'm sorry, I apologize, I took this minute because maybe some of the intellectual panel members
Any corona like that, you will be feeling.
At Manoj Sen.
share that the real motivation, inspiration comes from you all. And and last but not the least, my guide, Professor Dr. Prakash Hemraj Karmadkar sir, who is my guide, and I'm looking forward for my defense soon, probably in the next month. And definitely the mentor and the driver and the captain of this ship who is cruising me along, Dr. Prakash Divakaran sir. Hats off to him, lots of accolades and lots of accomplishments, and I'm learning a lot from him, and as well as all these talented and intellectual people and panel. I'm really learning a lot. I'm thrilled and I'm excited that I'm here in India for some time and looking forward to even take everybody overseas, 7 seas away in Canada and US with PK Joy sir.
Oh, great, great.
And very important that we are going to start some conferences in Canada also. Once
Oh.
Manoj Jain has gone to fly back to Canada, because in Canada and all we should require some ground support so that he can provide. And
Oh, very good.
Dr. Gaurav Sahini, he's also cleared his clearance from Canada, and he is also moving, settling over there in quite some time. So two people from our organization will be there. So we can very well go there. And I think Dr. Manimulgan sir, you have to apply for the passport immediately. So after the pandemic, we have to go.
Our
When I was,
passport we will keep ready.
yeah, I met him at his residence. Then his wife highlighted me. He don't have the passport. So we can take
Our
a
leader is
family
strong.
passport now. Family, all the family members. Actually, most of the people are coming with family to the overseas
Yes,
conferences.
yes,
I take
yes, yes.
earlier, Dr. Etikandre, Dr. Indi from Dive Patil, then our Bosley sir, and all are came with their family and enjoying with the conferences also,
Yes,
and
yes,
the
yes.
family get together also.
Now it is a need of the hour.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I think Manoj, we can wind up here for the
Conclude.
lunch, and 2 o'clock
Yes.
again we will start.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
And Dr. Prakash Karmarkar sir will be handling the session on 2 o'clock. Then 3 o'clock or 3:30, we will any people are there left out of presentation. They will get an opportunity after 2 o'clock. Then after that, the validatory function will be there.
Okay, thank you.
Excellent.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
thank you, Dr. Anthony
Thank
PV.
you. Thank you. Ganapati sir, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I think Dr. Prabhadevi is the student of Dr. Mail Murugan sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
It's
Yes,
our
yes.
scholar.
So Mail Murugan sir is so proud that your student is coming in the platform
Thank
as
you
a
so much,
keynote.
sir. Thank you
Sure,
so
sure.
much. I feel
Very
thankful
proud.
of you all.
Very
Yeah,
proud
yeah.
to see, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, me too, sir. Very proud to see you here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Good
sir.
stuff.
Thank you.
Excellent. Thank you.